Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I really enjoy streaming on the Twitch and YouTube. Almost done playing Zelda Breath of the Wild, but before I fight Ganon, I want to upgrade this mic. I really thought I would use it for longer because the audio quality is pretty good. I've done 20 streams, each for an hour or two, so I have 30-40 hours on this, and it is pretty inconvenient to constantly clip it on and off. But more importantly, sometimes when I'm wearing it, I can feel like an electrical shock, and that's probably not good. The wiring is probably faulty. I did a quick Google, they're like definitely replace it, so that's the main reason for us getting a new mic. Very excited to see what we end up with. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Stream Scheme. He has a lot of microphone videos. These are the 3 that came up for budget beginner mics. I'm leaning towards this AM8. The best part is the Micro Center near me has them in stock. I love shopping at Micro Center, truly blessed to have one near me. Let's head out. We are back from shopping. I ended up saving $5 because they do price match. I really enjoy walking around the Micro Center. Let's head inside, do the unboxing short, and get ready to set it up. I don't know why, but I'm so excited for this mic. It also came with a USB-C to USB-C, but this has a USB-A attachment because my genius brain in building that small form factor computer, I only included one USB-C port in the back, and that's currently connected to the Elgato. So I need a USB-A to connect to this USB-C. Let's plug it in and see what happens. This one is also a dynamic mic. You can get a condenser mic. From my very limited research, condenser mics are good for nuanced sound and very quiet rooms. This isn't a loud room, but I don't have any soundproofing in here, and I'm guessing I'm probably not gonna have any fancy sound work in the future. Always struggle to plug in the USB-A. All right, the RGB is already lighting up. This knob here is for the microphone. This knob here is for the headphone. I think this changes the light for something. I'm not too sure. I think I like the multicolor maybe. Maybe I'm a blue person. Purple, multicolor. This tells us we're on and off. I'm gonna start a live stream and hook up all the settings, and hopefully it works. Everything seems to be working good. We are live on YouTube. We are live streaming on Twitch. I had to change this output sound to the LG monitor, so when I play stuff on the computer, it comes out and I can hear it. I had to add audio input here and here, one for Twitch, one for YouTube. I'm excited to play back and listen to what that sounds like. I might set up my laptop outside just to hear a little bit. Very excited to see where all this goes. I might get a stand to get this a little bit higher so I'm not crouching down when I'm playing Zelda. But for now, video 343 done. And Twitch. I got a new microphone. I'm actually filming and making it's that way. The tripod is on hyperlapse right now, and I'm making a video of getting a new mic. So whoever is in here, you're not going to get a lot of